welcome, man. Real quick, y'all see this? This is a van, Dodge Grand Caravan. See, it's running, right? It's running bad too, like I got a vacuum leak or something. Well, anyway, we're unable to shut it off. Okay, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Brake light flashing. That's because I have the brakes on, of course. Checking the light, and key is in, key is off, key is out. But y'all can hear that car still running. I wonder, can you look? I even got power steering. Everything as if the car. Look, even the dash lights went out because I took the key out. Let me see something. Put the key in. Look, all my power lights light up, but the freaking engine is still running. Can you go into gear? Yes, you can. Can you remove the key? You can turn the key off, but you can't remove it out because you have to be in a park to take the key out. But the car is still running. All right, now I got the emergency brake on just in case something crazy happened. Okay, key is in my hand. Of course, the whole ignition off as if, but the car is still running, y'all. So because, let me turn this back on. It's obviously their check engine light. So one of the first thing we need to do is, well, we verified the complaint. Can't shut the car off. This car is running extremely, smell like rich. Look at that, the tachometer moving up and down. Let me go out here. I hope ain't nobody hot wired anything into the TIPM or the skim, electronic module. Don't look like no added accessories here. Don't look like nothing. The only way I was able to get it started in the first place was I had to put it in park. I had to manually put it in park. This car is island high, and y'all can't smell it, but extremely rich, like there's some form of a vacuum leak. Might be out of time, I don't know, but I can't shut it off. I have to shut it off now because it's starting to smell up the shop. So let me go to the air brake real quick, guys. I gotta take this. I got to find out what is going on. Look at those lights blinking. Of course, that's the tire light, but I just saw the ABS light on a minute ago. 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Something very spooky is going on. Y'all know I'm always up to a challenge. So that is basically an air leak. I saw the lightning bolt right there. Y'all see that flashing? And when that happens, the ABS. So y'all, but why can't I shut? Still running. Let me go see. My pod is up. Let me go see. Let me go to the air brake real quick. I'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. I'm back at my screen. Whoa, 59 fault codes. That is a 2016 Caravan with a 3.6 2533. Let's take a look at some. Close that out. Let's look in the PCM under unresponsive. PCM is not even responding. Whoa! PCM is off the bus. How was I able to even start it? The car is still over there running, guys. Okay, let me see what fault codes is inside this TIPM. Lost communication with ABS. So we obviously, guys, have a bus communication failure. Lost communication with the security skim. Only one that's active is C bus failure. And you know what? Yes, everything, all of this is C, guys. So we have a bus, we have a module knocking out C. But I'm still curious to know, how is the car still running? Nothing over here in CAN B or anything like that is I mean, they have fault codes, but nothing is red. How is this van still running? The PCM is off the bus, the wireless control module off the bus, ABS. Let me look at these codes again. Okay, C bus active inside the TIPM. Okay, lost communication with the ABS, the PCM. All right, guys, we have a bus issue, and I am longing and itching to find it. I haven't had a challenge like this in a while. And the good part about this, guys, is Some of you guys know what that means. That's mechanics love to see that. Okay, that's active. That means the problem is evidenced now. It's actually happening now. Okay, that makes diagnosis fairly easy from a standpoint of the problem is current. Okay, if it was stored, then you know it could be an intermittent problem. And mechanics hate intermittent problems. All right, we hate them. I hate them with a passion. I'm almost certain all of these are just yeah, these are voltage low codes and these door modules. They're unimportant right now. What's important is getting CAN C back up and running. Now I'm gonna have to go to another break, but when I get back, one of the things we was trained to do is start. You can do it a couple of ways. There's no right way and there's no wrong way. Whatever way works for you, but at the end of the day, we got to find out which module, if any of these modules, is knocking the bus network down. Can't see, guys. Okay, so the easiest one you can try unplugging is back in the day I would unplug modules until my bus come up. Easiest one is probably the wireless control module or either the ABS. One of these are fairly easy. And if everything come back up, you know that module is responsible for knocking down your bus. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do is go back to the car, and we're gonna play some more, do some troubleshooting. Okay, that is the key word here, troubleshooting. Normally we would hope for a fault code to bail us out. And also keep in mind, guys, the computer is right. You notice the alternator is not even charging, so that could be an issue. That's back probing and knocking out the bus. But we're not going to guess. We're going to troubleshoot and we're going to find out. All right. And when we're going to do that is when I get back. So let me set up some voltmeters and some scan tools. And I'm going to take a quick ad break. When I get back, we're going to start troubleshooting this car. Stay with me. Don't go anywhere. I will be right back. All right, guys. Because I'm having a tough time getting the car to shut off, I'm going to have to make it shut off. Y'all see taking the battery off. That didn't do the old trick. Obviously, the alternator is doing its job, or it's doing something. So what I'm going to have to do is force it to shut off. I'm going to have to starve it for fuel. All right, so I'm going to pull the fuel pump relay. It's one of these two. Can't remember which one, but I'm going to unplug them both. Now the car should die of fuel starvation. There you go. That was the only way. There was other ways, but that was one of the options I had to getting the car to die, because remember, the ignition switch is off. And because the battery is disconnected, all the power is snatched away. All right, so guys, we're gonna try it again tomorrow, guys. It's like 5:30, 5:20 maybe, and I'm at a brain freeze right now. So I'm gonna go home and do some homework and try to make some sense out of this. Okay, I went over everything what's going on, so I'm gonna start with a fresh start, fresh head, fresh everything tomorrow after I do some homework. Yes, sometimes we take our problems home. I call it homework myself, but I don't mind. The reward of finding out what it is would be it would be rewarding. Okay, so I would have picked up something else. I've seen this problem a while back. I just need to put two and two together, and I want to also make you guys, at the same time I'm doing diagnosis, I want to make sure you guys understand what's going on or what I'm doing. We're dealing with a CAN network issue. Okay, so we're gonna start over fresh tomorrow, guys. All right, stay tuned, man. Just stay tuned and follow me here. Okay, you will pick something up out of this. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching.